Hello everyone, welcome again to 3R Actionable Stock Updates. 3R means the right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are investment ideas. In today's podcast, we bring you an update on Ultratech Cement and Kirloskar Oil Engines. Ultratech Cement. The analyst maintains a buy on Ultratech Cement with a revised price target of Rs 7,700 considering its long-term growth potential and reasonable valuation. Pan-India cement demand and prices during July-August declined sequentially owing to seasonality. We expect cement demand and pricing environment to improve from the fag end of second quarter FY 2023. However, international and domestic petcoke prices during July-August 2022 declined 23% and 12% respectively compared to first quarter FY 2023, while diesel prices dipped 5%. The benefits of the same are expected to be visible from third quarter FY 2023. Ultratech's aggressive long-term capacity addition plans would help in capturing incremental demand along with maintaining its leadership positioning. Kirloskar Oil Engines. View positive, current market price 217, upside potential 18 to 20%. The analyst maintains positive view on Kirloskar Oil Engines given multiple growth catalysts supported by stability at the top management. The demand outlook is robust in the standalone business in power gen, industrial and electric pumps. It aims to gain market share through new launches and deeper penetration into markets. In addition, scaling up of farm mechanization, expansion of product range that is above 1500 kVA, implementation of CPCB4+ norms, ramp up in exports and growth in after sales would fuel revenue growth and augment margin expansion. Despite the recent run, the stock trades at a price to earning multiple of 12 to 13 times its FY 2024 estimated earnings, which is at a discount to its historical valuations. That's all for today. If you have any queries or feedback, do write to us in the comments section. It's been a pleasure bringing you the Sharekhan podcast and thank you for listening in as always. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on www.𝗙𝗂𝗶𝗵 before investing.
Discover what full-service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's daily 3R Research Actionable Update. Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investment needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.